What's up, guys? This is Will, and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to take a look at a memory card reader that I picked up from Best Buy. This is the Insignla memory card reader. It's a fast USB 3.0 speed, sleek, portable design. This is for SD and micro SD cards. This can also be used with Windows and Mac OS. So I picked this up just to have have it around in case it'll come in handy if I need it. But here's some of the specs on the back of it. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty, quick setup guide. The features: USB 3.0 design, transfers files quickly, compatible with SD and micro SD cards. Compact design for easy transportation. Tether hose cap and acts as a belt loop. So let's take a look at it, see what we got here. Just picked this up. I had some points, whatever they call over at Best Buy, where they kind of hook you up with some money. And so I picked this up as well as something else. We'll take a look at that something else in another video. But here's the device here. Put that to the side and see what else comes in it. It comes with it. So you get your quick start guide, like I said. Comes in different languages, as you can see. And here's some of the system requirements: Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 8, 7, Vista, Mac OS 9.0 and higher, Linux 2.4.1 and above. So this supports USB 3.0 and below, multi-port and single drive letter display, plug and play. And it works with the following card formats. So you can pause that and read it yourself. And it gives you some directions on how to insert your card and that kind of stuff. And there it is. You can pause that and read it yourself if you want. But we're going to take a look at the little device here. Get it out of the plastic. So here it is. Has a little branding on the side of it there. A little plastic there. Let's get this plastic off. All right. So here it is there on the side of it. As you can see, you got a micro SD and an SD there. And there's the cap on the top of it. And so, all right, guys, I got a couple of cards here. We'll plug them in, see what we got here. This is one. I don't know if these work, if you can read both of them at the same time or, you know, simultaneously or whatever. But we'll get them plugged into my Surface Pro here and see how it works, what it looks like. Definitely picked it up right there, right away. And let's see. I'm going to go into here. I'm going to go into this computer. And it's definitely got it right there. It's USB drive E. Showing my 32 gigabyte card right there. And like I said, I don't know if it does. I don't know too much about working with these type of things here, but definitely picked up a silly picture of me that I took right there. Some pictures of my grandkids right there. But it's definitely working. It may be a way to swap back and forth between the cards, but I'm not sure about that. If you guys know how to do it, leave me a link in the description on how to do that. But that was a look at the unboxing and first look at the Insignla 3.0 memory card reader. If you got a device that doesn't have expanded memory, or you just want to pick this up to have it in your bag to transfer files and whatnot like that, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to pick it up at Best Buy. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch y'all in the next video.